SLA 3D printing is a powerful and fun form of printing, and until today it was missing from the Kiri Moto toolset, but as of this week it has been added. So if you go into Kiri Moto the way you would usually and select SLA print, you'll get obviously a smaller bed size that isn't configurable. It's locked to a device at the moment. This object is a little bit large, so let's scale that down for the purposes of our testing. There we go. So getting right into it, we will just slice this object and have the ability to look at the slice layers the way we would in any other configuration. We can go into section view and expanded section view the way we would with any other setting in Kiri Moto. Another interesting thing we can do with this is hollow out the object. So we're going to set a 1 millimeter shell on this object. And let's see what that looks like. There it's hollow. You can sort of see that it's hollow there. And we can also see that in section view. So you can see that the interior is hollow. And we can do things like open the top and bottom. And that basically makes the part hollow through for drainage, anything else. It's just kind of a cool feature. If you can see that there on the bottom that it's hollow, and you can zoom up through it to take a look like that. And there are plenty of other features that you can play with over here depending on your printer. Once you're ready to print that thing, click export. It'll generate the bitmap file and it'll let you zoom up and down through that really quickly before you export your actual file. So right here you can see that that's the bitmap you're going to get, and then download your Photon file. So today only Photons are supported printers, and I'll be adding others as I get the documentation for them. So if you have any links to that kind of stuff, please send it to me. Bug reports and the like, also please send that to me. And enjoy. I hope this is a useful addition to your tool chain. Have a good one.